Alright guys, so today I will be playing this game. It's a very popular game. It's like Seeker versus Hider. And as you see, this is an active shooter. Yeah, this is an active shooter right here. I'm not just go say hi to him. He just needs a hug. Where's he at? Where's the shooter? Hi! Oh, there's a little banana guy! I see him. I think Huey was a little aggressive, so I think you know the content of the video. Context of the video. We will be hiding from shooters. Another remake of the video because I accidentally put on some copyrighted music. So me and my friend Jack are basically playing this game. Lord of
Game!
I'm hiding upstairs. I'm hiding upstairs.
Oh, I'm dead.
How'd you
So
die?
No, I'm not dead right now. I'm dead.
I see the shooter. He's downstairs. He's literally in a mask. He has a mask. Alright. Yeah, he's outside. He's outside.
He's scary. He's scary. Scary Larry! Scary Larry!
Scary Larry. Oh my god, I see Walter White SpongeBob running away.
He's...
Team?
Yeah, sure. Ah! I got nightmares.
Oh, did you get killed?
Yeah.
That's it. I'm with an old man. I'm an old man. I'm with an old man called Gary.
Gary, you're fat. I just had to put it out there. Gary's fat.
I just made up a name for this guy.
Fat. What?
Me and him are teaming. Oh shoot.
Fat Gary.
Holy shit. I think we should leave. I think me and this. Are we safe, Jack? Is me and this guy safe? Jack,
Yeah.
is me and this guy safe? Spectate me.
Not that I know of.
Are we safe? Are you dead?
Yes, I am dead.
Spectate.
And are you safe? No.
Actually,
You're
we're
never
not.
safe. It's literally in plain sight. Who is this old man?
Are we safe?
No.
Well, oh, he's upstairs?
Yeah.
Well, you fucking tricked me to go upstairs! The shooter's right there! Oh my god. Go, the shooter's right downstairs. I see him. You literally tricked me to go downstairs. I almost went downstairs. I fell for your little petty tricks. Jack, post check. I fell for your...
Why are you saying my full name?
Shoot. We can just cut that out.
They have to give me. Hey, little bro, he's up there. He's up there.
He's downstairs. Alright, team. Me and this guy are teaming. I died. I didn't die. I just randomly died. Oh, because the round was over. My chance increasingly went up. You PC players have to put all of this, just to do these physics. Right here, the buttons are all for me. Right here, I can just ragdoll if I want it easily. PC players, I feel bad for PC players. Jack, come here. I know where the hard. Come here, Jack. Alright, so first, we're going to the movie theater.
Movie theater.
Yeah, movie theater. I want to leave this place, but we have to die in order to.
Aren't you just leaving me to somewhere completely random?
Just look at the back. Oh, see, just right here. Jack, he's obviously gonna spot us.
He's right down there! Get out of here! Go, go!
No, no! Oh my god, oh my shitty god. No way. No. I just escaped this. Run. He's not there.
He's over there! He's over there! He's over there! Go out the... No, you can't go out the doors. Shoot, I lost you! Hey! Behind you!
Oh shit!
Let me in!
I'm right here. Who is the shooter?
I'm going behind these.
Oh shoot! I see him. It's like if you die, I die. This oh! Why is the round not over here, bro? I don't want to die. Crazy how it's been 6 minutes already. Oh, dude. I hear him. We need to change spots. There's like a bad... Oh! Dad, I think we have to change spots. Like right now. Jake, we have to change spots right now. I'm pretending to be dead.
Did he get you?
Yes. Did he get you?
Yeah. How do you pretend to be dead?
What?
How do you pretend to be dead? How do you ragdoll?
Are you on PC?
Yeah.
P. Press P to ragdoll. What else do you want to
more
learn?
of a seared bite on the Impossible Whopper than I'm getting on the actual Whopper.
Wait, what?
Ah!
Why'd you leave?
I didn't leave.
Yeah, you
I got
did.
teleported.
Exactly.
No,
More of a seared bite
Exactly where?
than I'm getting on the actual Whopper.
Where'd you get
More of a
teleported?
seared bite on the Impossible Whopper than I'm getting on the actual Whopper. No.
I don't see you. Where'd you get teleported?
Why?
There, I see you. Ha.
I don't know.
You did not get teleported, Jack. It's a bitty spider. It's a bitty spider. Thing around the clock.
Yeah.
But we're on a team when you're the shooter. When you're the shooter, could you not kill me? I can tell you where. I mean, we could do an exchange. Like, I can tell you where. I see Travis Scott.
Yeah.
Why does Travis Scott look like that? Whoa! I didn't know Travis Scott is affiliated with O-Block. Whoa!
Yeah.
Travis Scott's wearing a O-Block shirt.
Yeah.
He's gangability.
Yeah.
I think that could end. I think that is bad.
You ate all your lunch?
Yeah.
Enjoy this away?
Sure.
No.
Is Jeff trying to ignore me on
Oh,
purpose?
it's been 9 minutes. No, this is a bad hiding. Fuck, I ragdolled on
Something
that.
I'm asked
Yeah,
again.
come here. Somebody got flamed.
Can't do that the first word.
Go in the
Okay.
orange house.
Is Jack
If you
trying
want
to
to hide
ignore
with
me?
me.
As usual. You may rely on
Move, boy. That is
Does Jack think
bad.
it's funny to ignore his grandmother?
That is very bad.
No.
Don't
Oh.
count on it.
Oh no.
I tell the truth.
So do I.
Oh, this is bad. I see it.
You see him? Where is he? Where is the seeker?
Are you shot? Are you dead?
No, I'm not shot or dead yet. But I can hear it, and it's very loud.
This is
Where are
bad.
you?
I'm in the orange house. I don't want you to.
Orange house. Yes, Daddy. I might be cooked. Dude, I'm under the couch in the orange house.
You're under the. Yeah, we're in the orange house too. Oh, is that you? Was that you?
No. He's gonna kill us! Dude, there's this one kid and he's like walking around and stuff. And...
Is he ever gonna get killed?
Oh. I see.
I'm gonna do the big. Oh no. What is that?
I'm running for it. I'm hiding in the fridge right now. Last 13 seconds, I'm probably gonna survive. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I just ended a man's life.
Oh my god,
I wanted to kill this pesky girl, but it just killed us all. What am I gonna be the killer?
More of a scared bite? Impossible Whopper?
I want to be the
Then I'm doing an
killer.
actual Whopper. No.
there's a Christmas block.
Oh, it's the, what happened to the LMG? I see three Swedish. Oh, I got flame. Everybody kill it. Kill the box. Come here, Jack. Come. Jack, don't. Here. We're going up the roof. So remember, P is ragdoll, I think.
I'll do it in an area where there's blood.
Imagine you have to type in the chat P just to ragdoll. You don't have chat, neither do I. I don't have chat too. Like, look at this in my screen. Where are you?
I may or may have not fell. Ow!
I told you, stay with me. Alright, no, just crouch. Oh shit. You know you can't move. Just unragdoll. Just press P again to do this. Just press P. Press P again. Guys, move. We have to move away from here. This is bad.
Oh, he might be coming up.
Jack, come here. Stay with me closely. Oh my God! Why'd you?
No, like.
Oh, I fell down.
Look at the position I'm in. Whoa! 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 I just noticed. Give me up! He's coming up!
Where do you see him? Where do you see
I
him?
don't see him right now, but I saw him over there.
Oh.
He's out! He's out! He's down there! He's down there! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! He's out of the building.
You know, don't stay here. If we have real physical proof that he's coming up,
No, look at me! No, stop that. My grandma's so excited.
oh shoot. Jack, we may when it's like 40 seconds left. Follow me over, right? We don't. I did a backflip.
I'm gonna keep doing that.
Oh, I accidentally ragged on again. He's upstairs!
Wait, you serious? It's
He
a SpongeBob dude, right? Was it the SpongeBob dude?
Alright, come with me. It's 40 seconds. Come. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, we're gonna be teaming. No killing each other. Team, this is team. Kill everybody else. I don't care if they're your friend or they're your family. Kill everybody else in this thing. We do not want to die.
Are you still recording?
We are selfish.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Jack, move! 3, 2, 1. No killing each other.
I saw SpongeBob! We're getting close!
Kill this guy! The round is always over when I want to kill somebody. The round game. Jack, follow me. Oh, I see you.
Where are you?
I'm right here. Alright, what we have to do, we have to go to the window, the broken window thingy.
Bingy madingy. Why don't we just go through the chimney?
Boom bam, boom bam. Yes, I did an LMG clutch. I clutched. Go to the broken window. He's sitting right next to me.
Oh, bro, he got me from the top of the roof.
Upstairs, Jack. I don't think you know he's coming up. He's coming up the roof.
I died.
Oh, you died?
I was the first one to die.
Oh, tell me where he is.
He's in the bathroom.
In the bathroom. Is he up? When do I
On the
tell me
second
when to
floor.
jump?
No, on the first floor.
Tell me when to jump. Oh, fuck. Do I jump right now?
Oh, you have to jump.
Oh, how are you? You're not dead.
Yeah, I am. Look at the roof. Oh, he's back there, by the way.
I'm going up the ladder.
Do you not see the blood at the front of the...
No.
He's back there! Did you not see him
I
right there?
did not know. Oh my god. What? Oh! Oh my, what are people still doing here? Yeah, but a bunch of people are gonna die for sure. You know what, I'm gonna follow these unprivileged people. Stupid people. Oh, is he up here? Is he up here?
No.
Do I go down?
You see that front? You see that at the front of the house? That was me.
Oh,
I
that
right
was
there.
you? Do I jump to the broken window?
Oh, you have to ragdoll.
Do I jump to the broken window? Should I?
No, you have to ragdoll. You have to ragdoll down.
Fuck, I see him.
You have to ragdoll down there so you don't die.
Alright. Alright, tell me when to stay.
Okay, ragdoll.
No, I'm not ragdolling. Alright, fine. I ragdolled.
Funny. You're fine.
Is he actually here?
You're okay.
I don't think I'm okay when where there's a door with a bunch of blood and I'm hiding in it. Ooh. Tell me where
Clouds!
I fucking hate this bacon!
I could see the northern lights. My own gosh dang room. Okay,
I still see the
So-
bullets.
are you recording? I know.
Oh yeah.
You can keep recording. I was just wondering.
End it. Alright
No,
guys,
you could keep.
I'm gonna end it. Bye guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.